my people, it's your girl Christine. I'm back at it again with another video. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I install this Freetress Joyfull curl crochet here. I did about 11 braids in the front and 7 in the back. I did 2 anchor braids in the center and 2 on the sides so I could get a middle part and a side part. And I also did my end braids to connect because I did want there to be a braid going at the back to where I could catch my hair up in a ponytail if I wanted to. So I did get this hair in the color OT30, which is this really beautiful coppery color, and it's like mixed with a little bit of black. I got this hair off Amazon. It came with 6 packs, but I was trying not to use no more than 3 packs. I didn't want it to seem too big, but I wanted it to, give volume, give island. I love the curl pattern of this hair. It was low-key giving me bundles, almost like a silky texture, until you started to actually install it. Then you started to see and feel that natural volume coming through. So yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys like it and definitely come back for my final thoughts on this hair. So I will see you guys. Love you. Bye. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I gave it a little trim, a little cut for it to look a little bit more, natural and realistic. I did a side part and I also have a middle part, but right now I think I'm mostly just going to be rocking the side part. So this is pretty much what the hair is looking like. I'm gonna zoom in so you guys can see the color. I did leave out a little bit of my hair for like edges and stuff like that. And I will say, first impressions of this hair, it is very soft. I like the curl pattern, and it's very soft, but it also low-key kind of gives me a silky texture vibe, but it is natural volume, if that makes any sense. The hair is not terrible when separating. I've had worse, but I wish I actually didn't separate it, because when I started to separate it to get a little bit of the pieces at the front, that is when I started to get the frizz, and you started to have these little loose pieces. That's when it started to get a little bit messy. So if I was to reinstall this hair, I honestly wouldn't separate it. I did use the 2-finger rule method of trying to leave some spaces in between hair so I don't over pack my hair, because you know my head is big, I have a lot of hair, you know, there's a lot of ground to cover, but I try my best not to overfill it. I did end up taking out actually this amount of hair out of it because I thought it was looking a little bit too poofy, and the more I like cut it and everything, it's the more it was kind of getting a little bit more poofy. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna take some out because it's still giving me volume and all the cornrows are covered, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I think it is super cute. I'm gonna show you guys the middle part real quick. But yeah, I think it is super cute. It's very soft. I am going on vacation, so I'm gonna see how this hair holds up on vacation. So just come back and see, you know, if it's water friendly, active friendly, all the good stuff, maintenance. But for install, it took me like an hour and a half to do this, so pretty easy. I will say as well, it feels way better than the Soulful, if I'm not mistaken. Like, I did do a style with the Soulful. I will leave it in the link so you can check that out. And I will say that hair, you did need to maintain it. It's a big hair and it is not low maintenance, so I didn't really like it that much. This is in the same line. I'm hoping it does better, so we will see. Alright guys, so that is pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys like it. Come back to the channel for the review of when I'm taking this hair out and what my final thoughts are on this Freetress Joyfull Curl hair. Again, I got it in the color OT30 and it is 20 inches, but I did cut it down to probably about 18 inches right now. I probably shouldn't have cut the ends too much because I know throughout my trip I'm going to be snipping, but don't be surprised if when I come back my hair is like short. But we will see. Right now it's cute. I'm feeling it. It's not really heavy, but we're gonna see once the water hits this, okay? But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to stay positive and let life surprise you, because it will anyways. It's your girl Chrissy and I'm signing out. Bye.